The 2008 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, FWD, passenger airbag, trip computer, power door locks, fog lamps, compass, heated driver's seat, power windows, leather seats, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, heads-up display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.